Beebo's little heart is glowing bright. Let's learn our colors left and right. Rio's cap is red, 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 like a berry or a wagon sled. Mia's dress is yellow, 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 bright as sunshine. Hello, hello! Bo's shirt is blue, 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 like the sky and the ocean too. Red and yellow, blue and green, the prettiest colors you've ever seen. Beebo's heart glows every hue, Sunny Hollow shines for you. Rexi's skin is green, 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 the freshest green you've ever seen. Coco's fur is brown, 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 the softest puppy in the town. Can you find something red today? Can you find yellow? Hip hooray! Red and yellow, blue and green, the prettiest colors you've ever seen. Beebo's heart glows